So I really want to give you insights on why most stores actually fail. And the reason why I want to give you insights on this is because of the fact that I want to make sure that you're going out there and not setting yourself up for failure, all right? So what are some of the key indicators that I've seen over the past few months or even the last 2 years that I've been doing e-commerce? Well, it's pretty simple. The targeting isn't on point. Okay, the targeting that you're going out there and finding for your products isn't on point. And essentially, people are just going out there and spending money frugalously or frivolously more than anything, trying to target people who don't want your products, which is the worst case scenario because if you're advertising to somebody, make sure they actually want what you have. So the product also isn't appealing in the ad to your customer. So they aren't going to purchase. And I see these bland ads all the time with a white background and just a product and that's it. And it says, hey, get your X, Y, and Z now. Or, buy X, Y, and Z here. That's so boring. You have to understand, nobody's content with going out there and spending money. People like to spend money, but to actually get them to spend money is a different part of the problem, right? So you need to figure out how you can get people to spend the money and then, get them to keep on spending money with you. And the challenge with ads that I see a lot of people face is a lot of people don't understand how to get people to initially start spending the money. Because once people start spending the money, they don't mind, spending more. And the other problem is that you might be targeting X person with Y product. Now you need to target X person with X product. For example, when we did the audience insights before, I showed pit bulls, right? Now, if you're going out there and advertising a giraffe necklace to pit bull lovers, that doesn't make sense. You want to advertise a pit bull necklace or a pit bull shirt or, whatever it is, pit bull related gear to pit bull people. If you have an iPhone case, target iPhone users. If you have, a blender bottle, target bodybuilders, right? Or fitness enthusiasts. If you have, let's just say, accessories for your shoes, target sneaker lovers. So you want to go out there and make sure your targeting isn't far-fetched. You're not targeting, shoe lovers with blender bottles. That doesn't make sense now. So again, certain categories and certain niches of products that you're in are going to have a lot easier of targeting than others. So it really all does boil back down to your angles as well. Now, it also, has a massive impact on a budget that you spend as well. But speaking about our budgets, $5 a day ads are fine. Okay, they're fine. They're 100% what I recommend everybody to start off with just to get your feet wet. But once you have your feet wet, I'm talking you've been advertising for at least a month or two, and you know what's going on inside of the Facebook ads platform, you really need to start kind of leveling up here because yes, it's scary to 3x what you're spending in a single day without knowing the results. But $20 a day for 5 days will get you better preliminary data to base your next move off of. So what does that mean exactly? To base your next move off of. So if you want to go out there and whether or not it's find new products or scale your store, whatever it is, you have to get solid data. And $5 a day data isn't enough of a focus or test group to really get solid evidence for how your product will perform. However, what I will say is that $20 a day for 5 days, $100 spent, is definitely going to give you your really, really good type of estimate or kind of inclination more than anything on how your product will perform. Right? So right now, what I suggest you do is decide how deep you are into your Facebook ads career. And if you're deep into it, if you're a year into it and you're really trying to, figure out why the heck things just haven't been working out for you, ramp up your daily budget so your data can be a little bit more progressive in favor of you and scaling up what you're trying to do. Now, the next video that we're going to be going ahead and covering is creating a video ad without ever needing to be on camera. And I'm going to show you a resource that I suggest using in regards to creating a video. And also, I'll even go ahead and show you an example video to start off that video on how to create videos without being in a video. All right, that was a little bit of a tongue twister. But again, bear with me. I'll catch you in the next video.